and welcome back to my caliente kitchen. I am Manuel Villacorta, registered dietitian nutritionist, and I love to dance, things that I love in life, dancing and lots of fruits and vegetables. Hello, all fruits and vegetable lovers. All right, so I know my voice right now. Don't tell me how this happened. It happened last weekend, but thank God for my ginger honey tea. So don't mind if I sip this throughout this segment because my voice is finally back. Not quite 100%, but here I am, and I'm excited for today's, because the show must go on, and I'm excited for today's segment because today we're celebrating, yes, we are celebrating the root of our food. Farmers and growers salute. It's really a special day today. So a few weeks ago, the Produce for Better Foundation launched this campaign, and I am thrilled to be part of it as the role of a fruit and vegetable ambassador and in action, the fruits and vegetable ambassador in action for the Produce for Better Health Foundation. And I am here to share with you this amazing topic that we're saluting all farmers and growers. All right, so for that reason, also we're doing a Spotlight Cuisine, and this is the third week of this campaign, and the theme is the Spotlight Cuisine. And today I'm going to spotlight a delicious summer recipe. This is a salad, but this is not just any salad. The salad I will consider as a main meal because I love salads during the summertime. But you know, if I just have greens alone as a salad, I'll be eating my fingers an hour after, right? So I'm going to show you today how to make your salad a main meal and making sure that you include all three macronutrients: carbohydrates, protein, and fat. But before I start, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the farmers and growers for the hard work. Truly, they work really hard to make sure we get healthy, delicious fruits and vegetables to our tables. And they are truly the root of our health because they bring all these delicious fruits and vegetables. Also, let's not forget the packers and distributors. They work clock around, they work 24 hours to make sure we get best quality fruits and vegetables as well. All right, so I have to tell you that as a registered dietitian, I often get invited to different farms. And I live in California. I'm so lucky. Actually, my home is San Francisco. And I get invited all the time to visit strawberry farms, avocado orchards, peaches, tomato fields, you name it. You know, I have even seen lettuce fields, and I see how they harvest the lettuce. And this is hard work. I have even experienced, I actually was told if I could volunteer to carry a bag of artichokes, and I have to tell you that this bag was so heavy, and I consider myself a fit person. This bag was so heavy I can only do it for like a few seconds, but people carry this heavy bag with tons of pounds all day long across the fields. So I have to tell you, this is not easy work. It's hard work. So be thankful for the fruits and vegetables that we get on our table. And I really want to thank all the farmers and growers. So thank you to all of you. All right, so now let's go into the salad. So arugula, which is a spring summer green. I love arugula because it has a great taste and it enhances the flavors of all my salads. So this is just an arugula based spring greens right now. So the ingredients that we're going to add in our salad are carbohydrate, corn. Now, I love to actually have frozen corn always on hand because I can always throw in this healthy, delicious corn to almost everything. I like to mix it with grains like rice or quinoa, but definitely on my salads. And as I told you, you need carbohydrates in your salad, and this is a good carbohydrate. So I'm going to add some corn in here. Now, the next, obviously, summertime, tomatoes are in season now. Love these colorful cherry tomatoes. And the more color you add, by the way, the more different phytonutrients you get in your salad, which is good for your health because they provide different antioxidants based on their color. So look at this colorful salad here right now. Now, artichokes. I know they're not in season right now, but I always like to have in hand canned artichokes. Again, I like to use all different fruits and vegetables, all kinds of different fruits and vegetables, frozen, fresh, canned, and they are as nutritious. So you can actually now add some good phytonutrients, antioxidants by adding artichokes, and this time is canned artichokes. I love them, by the way. All right, then I'm gonna spice up my salad with some green onions. Quite nice. Now, if you like crunchy pieces while you're eating the salad, celery will do the trick. I love adding celery. The taste goes really well, and it tastes always fresh. So very nice. And now we're gonna add another carbohydrate. Now, I like a little sweet touches when I'm eating my salad. In this case, I'm adding dry fruit. This is dry apricots, and I'm gonna add that. That's also another healthy carbohydrate. So here the carbohydrates are mainly the corn and the dry apricots. Really nice, because this actually gives it, this enhances the flavor, and all of a sudden you're biting, you're crunchy, and the sweet apricot is quite nice. Now, I'm gonna add some good fat here now. This is superfood avocado. Now, avocados are good fats, and they have monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart. Now, I don't know if you knew this, but you need to add fat in their salads because fat will help absorb the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and some phytonutrients as well. So your antioxidants and phytonutrients that are fat-soluble need fat to be absorbed. So this is why we're gonna add some avocados in here too as well. Look at this, is looking amazingly delicious. I can't wait till I taste this. Now then I'm gonna actually put a little cheese. I love cheese in my salad. Parmesan cheese, that's the trick. Now this is aged Parmesan cheese. So aged Parmesan cheese, guess what? We'll add some probiotics as well. So we're gonna add some cheese in here too. So we're making a delicious salad. Now this obviously will feed a family of 4 for sure. And this is a great way to get your good fats, delicious cheese. I love cheese, and also the colors of the rainbow. And you go fruits and vegetables. This is quite nice. Now, of course, there is no salad that is not complete if you put protein, high quality protein. So I love eggs in my salad because then you get this delicious, look at this, it's looking so summer, so beautiful. And eggs are high quality protein. Obviously eggs also provide choline, good for brain health, and the fat in eggs that can help you also absorb these fat soluble vitamins, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. Okay, now I'm gonna taste my salad. Now you can season this with a little bit of lemon juice. No need to add more oil because remember, you wanna avoid fat bombs too. We're already adding eggs and avocados, so this is great. So I'm gonna just add with the avocado here. All right, I'm gonna taste this. This is a quite delicious salad, summertime salad that I will highly recommend you make it next. Now remember, to make this a main meal, you need carbohydrates, protein, and fat, and this salad now can become your main meal. So I hope you have enjoyed today's salad because I love the summertime salad. All right. If you want to also salute the farmers and growers and make delicious recipes, visit fruitsandveggies.org, and you can get inspired by other recipes that my fellow ambassadors are also making for this amazing campaign that the Produce for Vida Foundation is throwing around. And anyhow, so again, visit fruitsandveggies.org. and you can get really good ideas and recipes that you're going to enjoy throughout this campaign. Now, I am in social media in both languages, English and Spanish, on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and my website. If you ever want to find out about me or have any further questions, visit manuelvillacorta.com. Again, I'm in social media in both languages, English and Spanish, and visit manuelvillacorta.com to learn more about what I do. And I hope you have enjoyed today's segment, and until next time, my friends.